These cleaners work amazingly well for any screen. I've worked in IT for about a decade, and so I've cleaned thousands and thousands of screens. This is the easiest way to do it. You just open up the sachet, take it out, you clean it really quick. You don't need paper towels or anything to dry it off after you've cleaned it, because this dries immediately after cleaning. It doesn't leave any streaks. It gets things totally, completely clean. Really like these wipes. Now, these were sent to me so I could test them out and make this video. Let me kind of give you a closer look at the individual sachets. The nice thing about this box is it is designed as a dispenser, so you can pull this out and then you can see all of the wipes you can just pull out here. And you can either leave it open like this if you're in an office, or if you're at home, you can close it back up so they don't fall out. They come in small sachets like this, and they work for anything with a screen. And the screens that are most noticeably dirty often tend to be Macs. So let's have a look at this MacBook Air, and it is easy to rip. This is how large it is in comparison to the MacBook Air. You can kind of see where some of the keys have gotten dirty. The nice thing about this is that it dries without streaks. You can kind of hear it squeaking. Just about everything else leaves a streak, but this you can get clean. And when I'm done, I usually like to go over the keys just to dust it off and get it clean. No point in wasting a perfectly good cleaner. Like I said before, I've worked in IT for a long time, so I've used tons of these types of cleaners. They all are more or less the same. The nice thing about this is it just comes in a simple, easy to use box. You can close it up if you're using it at home or need to store it, or if you're in an office environment, which if you are, please get these. Let your employees have clean screens. And you can just reach in here and grab one and they come out. Sometimes you're going to get more than one. You just put them here for the next person to use. These things absolutely fantastic. In my experience, the quickest and easiest way to clean a screen.